Hello and welcome back to the Mini Traders channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the powerful world of Python lists. Lists are an essential data structure that allows us to store and manipulate collections of items. They provide us flexibility and control over our data. So let's dive in and discover everything you need to know about Python lists. Before we dive into nitty-gritty details, let's see a list. In the example, you can see a list which is defined using two square brackets and consists of some items. Lists possess essential characteristics that make them versatile data structures. First, they are ordered, meaning the elements maintain a specific sequence. Second, they are changeable, allowing us to modify, add, or remove elements. Lastly, lists can contain duplicate values, enabling us to store multiple occurrences of the same item. Accessing individual items within a list is crucial for working with specific data points. In Python, we can use different indexing methods, such as positive and negative indexes, as well as specified ranges. Remember, indexes start from 0 to go up to the length of the list minus 1. As you can see, indexing rules are similar to strings, as we mentioned in one of our previous videos. Modifying the values within a list is simple once we know their respective indexes. We can update elements based on their index position. Adding items to a list allows us to expand its content dynamically. We have several methods at our disposal. The append method adds an element to the end of the list. Insert method inserts an element at a specific position. And extend adds multiple elements from another list or any other iterables like tuple sets and dictionaries, which we will talk about them later, to the end of our list. Removing items from a list helps us maintain data accuracy and managing our lists efficiently. We have various techniques available. The remove method eliminates a specific element. The pop method removes an element at a given index. The clear method deletes all elements within the list, and using the del keyword allows us to delete elements or even entire lists. Copying lists become necessary when we want to work with separate entities without affecting the original list. We use the copy method to create independent copies of lists. And that concludes our exploration of Python lists. Practice what you've learned and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive algo trading course videos. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.